So for today's installation, we will be installing a catback exhaust system on 2020 Dodge Daytona. This part number is vzp100107. This comes with every clamp you need, so it's really just plug and play. For the exhaust system, we have the dual exhaust tips in a 8.5 and a 9-inch, and then for single exits, we do have it in a 4.5 and a 4-inch. Alright, so what you want to do is first you're going to want to disconnect these valves that come on the stock exhaust. These should be 8mm bolts. Nut timing, they just come right off, and then you just want to tuck them in there somewhere where they won't get damaged. And then you're going to want to take off these brackets, and you're going to want to loosen it up. There are the clamps in the front. Once you have that, there's these hangers up here that you're going to have to take off. And once you're done with that, we're going to want the exhaust should be coming off. So now that you took off your old exhaust off, you're going to want to get all your exhaust parts. From here, we're going to start from the mid pipe, and we're going to install them onto there. Alright, so now that you've put on your mid pipe, you're going to want to clamp it up. And then once you're done with that, you're going to want to put this pipe on. And then you're going to want to connect your valves again. The exhaust kit does come with nuts and bolts to make it easier for yourself. So now that you put on the valves, you're going to want to install the hangers up here as well. Alright, so now that you put the rest of the exhaust, you're going to want to put the exhaust tip. And again, we do have these in a 5-inch and a 4.5-inch as well, and a 4-inch. So now that you've installed your exhaust system, for this exhaust system we did run with the 5-inch satin black finish exhaust tips. We do have these in 4.5 and 4-inch, but those would come in a carbon fiber finish. This exhaust system does not require any welding. Everything should go right in, everything, all the clamps fit perfectly. Okay guys, make sure to subscribe. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to leave down a comment down below. Follow us on IG at vicrez.com.